pizza machine. CS Aerotherm brings to you another fantastic machine that will empower your business by leaps and bounds. With our pizza line, you can make uniform pizza bases in the blink of an eye. Stainless steel frame makes it robust as well as hygienic. You can get up to 1,400 pizza bases in an hour. You can make pizzas of various dimensions ranging from 6 inches to 12 inches and can change the rollers as per your requirement. Pizza bases will then be automatically deep-end. Incorporate this wonderful machine and leave your hard work to us. We are forever keen on simplifying our customers' lives.